whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. To the jail without a judge's writing for robbing Colonel Farrell upon Kilgarra Mountain. They did not take me fists, so I knocked that jailer down. Bid no fun farewell to that jail in Sligo town. Whoosh-a-rig under and down. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Now some they takes delight in the boxing and the bowling, and others takes delight in them carriages a-rolling. I takes my delight in the juice of the barley, and courting pretty fair maids in the morning bright and early. Mush-a-rig under and down. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Mush-a-rig under and down. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Oh, the times when we went eeling in the days of long ago, when the ice had bound the channel and the shore lay deep in snow, when the lonesome winter's forest lent a sky of slaty grey, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. Times when we went eeling in the nights of long ago, when the ice was on the channel and the shore lay deep in snow, when the lonesome winter forest raised its naked arms to pray, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. And the hills of Shelter Island, when the nights began to crawl, growing dim and dim and dimmer till they were not there at all, in the creeping twilight blotted curtain like an ended play, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. Times when we went dealing in the nights of long ago, when the ice was on the channel and the shore lay deep in snow, when the lonesome winter forest raised its naked arms to pray, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. There's a lantern on the landing, there's a gleam of paradise, there's a window in the harbour like an old man's blinking eyes, like a half-seen shuttered glimmer, oh so lonesome far away, and the darkened forms are clicking up the mud of South Old Bay. Times when we went dealing in the nights so long ago, when the ice was on the channel and the shore lay deep in snow, when the lonesome winter forest raised its naked arms to pray, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. There's no moon to ride the heavens, there's no stars to hang and glow, just the tortured bluish radiance of mirrored ice and snow pours a ghastly dimmish luster, dregs of night and ghost of day, round the darkened forms are stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. Times when we went dealing in the nights of long ago, when the ice was on the channel and the shore lay deep in snow, when the lonesome wintered forest raised its naked arms to pray, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay. Not a breath of wind a stirring, not a dervish whirl of flake, not a sound except the booming when the frost cracks give and take, not a sound except the thunder of the tide floors giving way, and the ears that drip and splutter up the mud of South Old Bay. Times when we went dealing in the nights of long ago, when the ice was on the channel and the shore lay deep in snow, when the lonesome wintered forest raised its naked arms to pray, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay, and the eel spears were stirring up the mud of South Old Bay.